Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So Solana, yeah, seems like it wants to go deeper into our larger orange support area. But we talk about the relevant parameters again. So in yesterday's video, we talked about two scenarios here, the short-term bullish one, short-term bearish one. And the short-term bullish one, let's talk about that. The short-term bullish one means basically that we completed this B-wave correction down here on the 5th of August. We had a first 5-wave move up, not the most reliable one because of the context, but nevertheless 5 waves up, and then the relevant support for that is at $22.90. If we break below that level, it will be the first early warning that we're already coming down further. So we're going to talk about that in the short-term bearish scenario. As long as we're holding $22.90, it can go higher in either a larger B wave here and can still come down then. We will really only have confirmation that a lasting low that a lasting low has been put in place on the 5th of August when we get these 5 waves up. Then we can call it wave 1. So until then, things are very, very uncertain here, as I said before. So we shouldn't be surprised if things still break down, because without having the first 5 waves up, we just have no clarity, really, okay? These 5 waves up, when we get them, and you can see we only completed possibly a first wave, then we can define the first reliable long trade setup in an ABC correction here. Because then we can say, okay, we have 5 waves up on a relevant time frame, which is large enough not to be within a corrective wave or something. And then we can define a pullback zone for a wave 2 with a third wave rally higher. And actually it would be the third, the fourth, and the fifth of a larger C wave into the $40 to $50 range. That, however, will become much less likely. Let me just take all of that out again. This will become much less likely if price breaks below $22.90. That is the micro support level I shared with you over the last few days. We need to be aware that obviously just having 5 waves up is not enough to give us a reliable upside setup, because, and that's what we discussed yesterday, it could be that this is all just part of a B wave. For example, there are different ways how this could unfold. A, yeah, already done, and then A, B, C in the B wave, and now it comes down in the larger C wave. This would get more relevant and more likely below $22.90. Below that level, we've got $22, and yeah, so $22.90 is the micro support, but it's sort of the broader $22.50 level, which is relevant because, or relevant as well, because that's the 50% FIB level. So I could summarize that as long as we're holding $22.90, there is a bit of a hopium wave count, the bullish one, that we could get a first wave up. But then we would need that first, and then we can define the wave 2 support, okay? Until then, we need to be very much ready that it could still come down deeper into the, well, you know, if that level breaks, we need to be ready that it can come down much deeper in a C wave. And then we're looking at $20.20. I will then start looking for support there, and below that level, $17. So basically what it means, at the moment we've started to look for lows, but we can't really look for a, let me just take that out again, can't really look for a lasting low until we have 5 waves up. And below $22.50, we have to look for new and lower lows. First of all at $20.20 and then $17, see if we can find any there. But yeah, at the moment this can still turn around basically at an instant in this support area. I just don't see it as a very reliable wave count, as I said. So we need to be ready for those quick twists and turns. We don't have a reliable 1-2 setup on the chart as explained, because the move up here was only just a 3-wave move. Yeah? Remember what we said, that yes, this might have been a wave 1 into the February highs, the move down a wave 2, yes, and then this could have been an A wave of a 3rd wave. Here the B wave, but the B wave can still stretch out further. So for the B wave scenario here, yeah, the $17 level is the relevant support. Let me just shift that here. Oops, so let me just do that. Well, grab that B. Yeah, the $17 level is the relevant support. Below that level, there is still another bullish scenario, but it would be the yellow one. It's too early to say if that is going to work out. So basically, we first of all need to see if it's going to break below $22.90 and then $22.50. And then we have a little bit more clarity on this chart. But really, until we see a first 5-wave move up, there is no clarity. And we have currently limited clarity on this chart because this is just 3 waves. I hope I brought that across in previous videos. So yeah, that always comes with a warning to be on the side of caution when we don't have a 5-wave move up. So again, the altcoin charts look a little bit sad at the moment generally, and I still expect Bitcoin, Ethereum to come down a little lower. So that could easily lead to a break of that micro support. Okay. Yeah, that's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.